The Institute of Textile Technology, the ITA, based in Augsburg, is a research institute affiliated with the Technical University of Applied Science here in Augsburg. Together with the Technical University of Applied Science, the ITA are operating the Dilo nonwoven line as a development platform for AI-driven technologies for process optimization. The first time I heard from Hammer-IMS was at the last ITMA in Milano. I saw the system, it was integrated in the demo line from Dilo. We are quite happy that we got the funding from the AI production network Augsburg to buy the system from the company Hammer-IMS, and we are happy to use it. We integrated the system in front of the card infeed, where normally our belt weight is used to measure the area weight of the material getting into the machine. For us, the most benefits are that we can use multiple sensor heads to get the information over the whole material width, even on multiple lines, and also the sustainability, so we are not using X-rays or isotopes at this position. And one additional benefit for us was that we can build up a map from the material to get the information over the whole area in detail. Another benefit is that we can use this measurement system with a higher measurement gap, so we can feed the thick material after the jute feed through this position and through the measurement system. The measurement system is connected to our data acquisition system via OPC UA. The connection was quite easy. It took about 5 minutes to connect all the parameters. We will do some trials with the systems to find out what opportunities we have with the system, which materials we can use it for, which combinations, which mixtures, and also which machine parameters we can change based on the information we get from the measurement system. We are operating this plant as an open platform, so everyone is invited to visit us here in our facilities to have a look at our technologies, to give them a trial, to do a trial with these technologies, to do tests together with us, and we can also connect people who are interested